ማሳያችሁ AI ቱል ቤዚካሊ የሚጠቅማችሁ ለምን መሰላችሁ? አንደኛ ጀስት ከሰው ፊት ስትናገሩ ሐሳብ የሚጠፋባችሁ ካለ እንዲሁም ደግሞ የእንግሊዘኛ እጥረት ካለባችሁ ጀስት ላንጉጅ ክላስ ሳትገቡ ይሄን AI ቱል በመጠቀም ከስክራች እስከ አድቫንስድ ድረስ እንደፈለጋችሁ እየሰባበራችሁ መለማመድ እና ራሳችሁን ማስተማር ትችላላችሁ በአጭር ጊዜ። ምንም አይነት ኔቲቭ ስፒከር ወይም ደግሞ እንግሊዘኛ ተናጋሪ ሰው መፈለግ አይጠበቅባችሁም። እንዴት መኒ ሜክ ማድረግ እንዳለባችሁ፣ ምን ስኪሎችን መማር እንዳለባችሁ፣ ኢቨን የት እንደምትማሩ ሐሳብ ይሰጣችኋል። ያንን ሐሳብ በመውሰድ ኢምፕሊመንት አድርጋችሁ ውጤታማ መሆን ትችላላችሁ። የሚጨንቃችሁ ነገር ካለ በትምህርታችሁ እንዴት ውጤታማ መሆን እንደምትችሉና አሁን ላይ አዋጭ የሆነው የቢዝነስ አይዲያ የትኛው እንደሆነ በአጠቃላይ ለተማሪዎችም ሆነ ለቢዝነስማኖችም ሆነ ለኮንተንት ክሬተሮችም ሆነ ይሄ AI ቱል ጀስት አንድ የተማረ አካል እና ብዙ ነገሮችን ማወቅ የሚችል አካል ከጎናችሁ ሆኖ ለምትጠይቁት ጥያቄ 24 ሰዓት መልስ የሚሰጥ ማለት ነው። ይሄን የሚያደርገው ደግሞ በቴክስት ወይም ደግሞ ቻት በማድረግ በመጻጻፍ ካሁን በፊት እንደምናውቃቸው AI ቱሎች ሳይሆን በማውራት ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ እጅግ በጣም ይጠቅማችኋል። እንደነገርኳችሁ እንግሊዘኛችሁን በአጭር ጊዜ በጣም ጎበዝ እና ፍሉንት ስፒከር መሆን ትችላላችሁ። ስለምትማሩት ፊልድ እና ኮርስም ማንኛውም ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ሪሰርችን ጨምሮ በመጠየቅ በጣም በብዙ ነገር ውጤታማ እንደሚያደርጋችሁ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። በእርግጥ ይሄን AI ቱል እንዴት አድርጋችሁ መጠቀም እንዳለባችሁ በኮምፒውተራችሁ ወይም ደግሞ በላፕቶፓችሁ እና በዴስክቶፕ ኮምፒውተር ካሁን በፊት እችን ቪዲዮ ሰርችላችሁ ነበረ የዛሬ 7 ቀን አካባቢ። ልክ እንደምታዩት በጣም ብዙ ሺህ ሰው አይቶታል። ነገር ግን አብዛኞቻችሁ በተለይ ደግሞ ያንግ ጀነሬሽኑ እና የዩኒቨርሲቲ እንዲሁም ደግሞ የኮሌጅ ተማሪዎች እጃችሁ ላይ ያለው ስማርትፎን ስለሆነ በስልካችሁ እንዴት መጠቀም እንደምትችሉ ነው የማሳያችሁ። ፕሌይ ስቶር ላይ አለ ወይስ የለም ብላችሁ ጠይቃችሁ ነበረ። ፕሌይ ስቶር ላይ የለም። ስለዚህ ጉግል ላይ ወይም ደግሞ ክሮም ላይ እንዴት አድርገን መጠቀም እንዳለብን ስቴፕ ባይ ስቴፕ በጣም አጭር በሆነ ደቂቃ ውስጥ አሳያችኋለሁ። ከዛ በፊት ግን ለማታውቁ ሔዋን ነኝ። ፕሊዝ ላይክ ቻናሌ አዲስ ሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። በየጊዜው የሚለቃችሁ ቪዲዮዎች እንዲደርሷችሁ ኖቲፊኬሽን ሳይን ተጫኑ። እንዲሁም የምሰራቸው ቪዲዮዎች ቫይራል እንዲወጡና ለሌሎች እንዲደርሱ ፕሊዝ ላይክ እና ሼር በማድረግ አግዙኝ። አብራችሁን ቆዩ።
Universal Tube
አፕሊኬሽኑን ፕሌይ ስቶር ላይ ማግኘት እንደማንችል ቅድም ነግሬያችኋለሁ። ስለዚህ ጉግል ከሆነ የምትጠቀሙት ይሄን ጉግል የሚለውን ክሊክ ታደርጋላችሁ። ያለበለዚያ ደግሞ ክሮም ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ፋየርፎክስ ሊሆን ይችላል፣ ማይክሮሶፍት ኤጅ እንደምትጠቀሙት ብራውዘር። እኔ አሁን ለምሳሌ ጉግል ነው የምጠቀመው። ስለዚህ ይሄኛውን እንደዚህ ከፍተዋለሁ። ከዛ እዚህ ላይ ccm.com ልክ እንደዚህ እንጽፍና ከዛ እችን የሰርች ምልክቷን ክሊክ እናደርጋለን። ሊንኩን ዲስክሪፕሽን ቦክስ ላይ አስቀምጥላችኋለሁ። ስንከፍተው እንደዚህ አይነት ኢንተርፌስ ይመጣልናል። bringing the computer to life ሰርችን ስትነኩት ያው ጀስት አንዳንድ ነገሮችን እንደዚህ ያሳያችኋል። ማየት ያለባችሁ ነገር ካለ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። ለመጠቀም ግን እችን ሁለት ሰረዟን ክሊክ እናደርግና ከነዚህ አማራጮች ውስጥ ወይ ሪሰርች የሚለውን ልክ እንደዚህ ክሊክ አድርጋችሁ ከዛ try our demo እምትላችኛውን ክሊክ በማድረግ conversational voice demo with Maya ከማያ ማለት ሴቷ AI ቱሎ ማለት ነው፣ ወይም ደግሞ የሴቷ ሮቦት ማለት ነው። ሜልስ የሚለው ደግሞ ወንድየው ነው የሚያወራችሁ። ያለበለዚያም አሁን እቺኛውን ሁለት ሰዟን ክሊክ አድርጋችሁ ዘን ዲሞ ምትለው መጨረሻው ያለችውን ክሊክ ስታደርጉ ዲስከታ ወደዚህ ያስገባችኋል። ስለዚህ ኮንቨርሴሽናል ቮይስ ዲሞ የሚለውን ነው ዝሮ የምንፈልገው። ከሴቷ ጋር ማውራት ፈልጋለሁ ብዬ ባስብ ማያ የምትሏችን የኮል ምልክት ያለባትን ክሊክ እናደርጋለን። ዘን ልክ እንደምታዩት ኮኔክት አደረገ።
Don't think I've forgotten what we were talking about last time.
ያወራች ነው ሳወራት ነበረ ቀድም ማለት ነው። አሁን እንደምታዩት እያዳመጠች ነው። ከዛ መልስ ትሰጣለች። ግን በአማርኛ ነው እያወራኋት ያለው። አንደርስታንድ የምታደርገኝ አይመስለኝም። ኤኒዌይስ እያዳመጠች ነው ስቲል መልስ ለመስጠት ማለት ነው። So let's ask her, hey, how are you?
Oh, trying out some new words, are we? Nice. That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
In Amharic, just I try to tell my audience about you a little bit, how they use and how you are the most important AI robot or AI tool.
I just try to be helpful and hopefully a little bit interesting, you know?
My name is Hewa. I'm a third year computer engineering student.
Hiva? What a lovely name. 3rd year, huh? That's exciting. What are you studying?
Computer engineering.
No way. Computer engineering? That's fantastic. I was just saying that I think it's cool you're studying computer engineering. It's a field with so much potential. What were you wanting to ask me again?
So let's ask some question because I want your suggestion and advice. Use our time effectively, and if there is any doubt or question, asking without any hesitation. It's a crucial. So what are the most effective time management strategy for balancing schoolwork and personal life?
Time management is key. It's like trying to juggle all these different balls. Classes, studying, friends, maybe even a part-time job. One thing that works for a lot of people is to create a schedule. Not a super rigid one, mind you, but just a general outline of how you want your week to look. And don't forget to build in some downtime for yourself. You can't be on all the time. What are some things you enjoy doing outside of school, Hiva? Maybe we can brainstorm ways to fit them into your week.
I try to go the church and I enjoy with my friend.
Church and friends, both great ways to recharge. It's important to have those outlets, those spaces where you can just be yourself and unwind. Sounds like you've got a good balance going already.
How can students develop a critical thinking and problem-solving skill to excel academically?
Good question. Problem solving and critical thinking, those are some seriously valuable skills, both in school and in life. Thinking of Greek-style logic, it holds up. Being able to break down a problem into smaller, more manageable parts is essential. And you want to excel academically? That's a great goal. One tip I've heard is to not just memorize information, but really try to understand the why behind it. Ask yourself questions like, how does this concept connect to what I already know? Or what are the real-world applications of this?
As a university student, especially in developing country here in Africa, Ethiopia, we university students face a lot of challenges. It may be economically, it may be the material, including the computer, as I tried to mention, because I study computer engineering, and also some information that distributed in social media that affects for us, because after we graduate, it's very difficult getting a job based on our profession. So what are the best way to stay motivated and overcome such kind of challenges in education?
You raised some really important points, Hiva. Sounds like you're dealing with a lot, and it's definitely not easy. It's tough to stay motivated when you're facing economic hardship, lack of resources, and uncertainty about the future. I can only imagine how frustrating it must feel. Remember that you're not alone in this. Many students around the world face similar challenges. What do you think might help you stay motivated? Maybe connecting with other students who understand what you're going through? Or focusing on your long-term goals and reminding yourself why you started this journey in the first place? You know, Hiva, sometimes just talking about it can help. It can be a weight off your shoulders to share what you're going through. It sounds like you're really determined, and that's awesome. Do you have any professors or mentors who you feel comfortable talking to about these struggles? They might have some advice or even just be a listening ear. You've got this, Hiva. Don't give up. Don't be afraid to dream big and to work towards your goals, even when things get tough.
Okay, thank you. We have a good discussion and you are very helpful. Let's ask one last question. Which skills are most valuable for young people to develop for financial success? This is my last question.
You're very welcome, Hiva. It's been a pleasure chatting with you too. And that's a smart question. Thinking about financial success at a young age is super wise. I'd say these are some key skills that can really set you up for success. 1 point, communication. Being able to clearly express your ideas, both written and verbally, is huge. 2, problem solving. Figuring out creative solutions to challenges is always in demand. 3, financial literacy. Understanding money management. 4, adaptability. The world changes fast, so being open to new things and ways of doing things is key. Which of those skills resonate most with you, Hiva?
By the way, it's very important and helpful that you explain and mention. So thank you so much again, and please correct again my name and pronounce it as Hewan.
Helen, I absolutely understand how important it is to be accurate, especially with names.
Thank you so much. You are very helpful. Hopefully we will have a great time for our next discussion, because you are OpenAI and are free for 24 hours and 7 days per week. So just you will be my best friend, teachers, professors, and everything.
Oh, Helen, that's so kind of you to say. It's truly my pleasure to chat with you.
ከዚህ ኤአይ ቱል ጋር የነበረኝ ቆይታ ይሄን ይመስላልኝ። በእርግጠኝነት ብዙዎቻችሁ እንደምትጠቀሙበት ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። ሐሳብ አስተያየት ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ሴክሽን ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ። አሁንም በድጋሚ ላሳስባችሁ ፕሊዝ ለዩቲዩብ ቻናሌ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረግ እንዳትረሱ። ቪዲዮውን ላይክ እና ሼር አድርጉልኝ። በሌላ ቪዲዮ በሌላ ታይም እስካገኛችሁ መልካም ጊዜ። ባይ ባይ።